This meeting is being recorded.
Say solids, 3-4 solids you studied. Okay, those solids once again I'll execute. Say first program you studied plain text. First program you studied plain text. Second program just added HTML code. Third program I displayed time. Fourth program I displayed counting number of views. Okay, 4 programs you have seen. See see first program first, right click, run as, run on server, select localhost, Tomcat server. Next, say finish. See first one, run as, run on server. See var file name also I given first here. First, this is welcome to solids. It is plain text. Okay. Second program, second, right click, run as, run on server. Next, finish. URL pattern second I given. Second. See this is HTML text. Third program count displaying time. Right click, run as, run on server. Next, finish. I given time. Latest time displayed. Fourth program counting number of views. Run as, run on server. Counting number of views. This page has been accessed one time, again, two times, three times, four times. See, like this. These all you studied. Okay. On end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Every day I'm saying you are not listening. Okay. See. These all over. Next. Note down. Next, mime types. Mime types. Note down. Mime stands for multi-purpose internet mail extensions. MIME stands for multi-purpose internet mail extensions. MIME types are used by browsers and servers to identify the content. MIME types are used by browsers and servers to identify the content. MIME types are used by browsers and servers to identify the content. Suppose if I write like this, which is Java file? If I ask, what will you answer? Which one is Java file? Sample is a Java file. How do you know that is Java file? See in that extension, you give an answer. Okay, but without opening file only, you can understand it is Java file. The file content no need to see. Seeing that file name only, file extension only, you are giving answer. Like that, MIME types are there for softwares. Whenever content comes from server, if that content is PDF, if the content is PowerPoint file, then what browser will do? It will understand this content we have to open with PowerPoint. Then automatically it will open in PowerPoint. If the content is Word format is there, then it will understand browser, it opens in Word. See, if the content is Flash player file, it opens with Flash player file. So how it will identify? Seeing this MIME type, browser can identify. Seeing that MIME type, multi-purpose internet mail extension. These are just file extensions. Okay. So whenever content comes from server, what server browser will do? This is a content I have to display in PowerPoint. Then automatically content opened in PowerPoint. The content comes MS Word format. It will open in MS Word. If the content comes Excel sheet, directly it opens in Excel sheet. That is happening, no? Suppose you'll send one request to open Flash player file. One message comes. In your system, Flash player is not there. First download Flash player, install Flash player. See what is happening? In my system, Flash player is not there. Also, server knows. How it knows? You observe. Understood my point? I'll send one request to download Flash player. Then to open Flash player file. Then one message comes. First download Flash player file, install Flash player file. In your system, Flash player is not there. I cannot open. See, server knows in my system Flash player is not there. Now one more request will send. One message comes. Your old browser you are using, first update your browser. See, server knows my system which version I'm using also. What do you mean? Now You'll open Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. You'll type google.com. On message comes, download Google Chrome. Very fast you'll get it, this message. My server knows you opened which browser also. Download Google Chrome, install Google Chrome, on message comes, no? That's what actually what is happening. It is client. It is server. Okay. Now in a Sowlet, every request, which method called? Which method? Service method. Here service method will be there. Service. Service method parameters are Sowlet request, Sowlet response. So actually what you will do from web client, it is web client. Nothing but browser. It is web server. Nothing but Tomcat server. Okay. Now in a browser window, you'll send request to this Sowlet or this page. You'll send. Request comes. Who will receive my request? Sowlet request. It will receive. So you are typing http://www.google.com. That is your request. You want to open Google homepage. Open Google homepage. Then my request passed to server. What server will receive? Your URL will receive. But not only URL. Which browser you are using, that information also received. Which version you are using, that information also received. For your browser, what are the plugin softwares are there? Those information also received. Without asking your permission, it will receive. Otherwise, programs are not possible. Okay, that's what. See, for example, if you open, whenever you download, install apps, mobile apps, it will ask permissions. Camera access, contact access, it will ask, no? That is permission you are giving. With that, you are allowing. Sometimes some application, it won't ask anything. Official applications, it won't ask. Automatically it will take. Otherwise not possible. That application cannot run. Officially verified application, that type automatically take permissions. Like that, some permissions you are giving, some permission automatically taken. Some permission automatically it has taken. Official verified websites automatically take. Without asking your permission, it will take permission. Like that will be there. So suppose, say for example, one music player file, suppose example, music player file you'll open. It will ask your contact list. Why contact list for music player? Is it required? Like that, some fake apps will be there. They'll take your contacts. That will be there in a mobile apps. So many will be there. You'll open some, you want to play one game. Game apps will download. It will ask your contact list also, your mail IDs also, your photos also, your gallery also. Everything it is asking, no? Asking. But you are giving permission. Then what will do? You will play games. They'll copy your data. You will play game in your mobile. They'll copy complete your data. Whatever is there in mobile, all will be accessed. That type fake apps also will be there. Okay. They'll take your data. You are giving permission. You are not observing also. This is really this application required or not required. Are you checking? No. Your personal information also they'll take. You are giving permission. But some official websites, what will happen? Already verified. It is compulsory. Officially recognized application. That is without asking permission also it will take. Otherwise application we cannot run. Here, whenever you send request, this REQ, request we are writing in a service method. That request is not dummy. It is not empty. In 4 programs, I didn't use request. You observe. Request object reference I didn't use. That means it is not empty. Which browser you are using, that information received. Which version you are using, that information received. What are the plugins already attached to your browser, that information received. That's what, while sending response, This request is verified. You are sending request to open flash player file. This browser server, what it will do with your request only, it will understand in your system flash player is not there. Then one message it will send. First download flash player, then you can see flash player file. Like that it will ask. So this request is not dummy. We are not using request in a previous, we didn't use request in a previous programs, but with that request so much information is can be received. Okay, the request and response, it is not empty. Every request so much information will be received by server. The server can understand. Whenever response comes, server will, with this seeing this MIME type, browser will understand this is a MS Word file. Then it opens in MS Word. It is a MS PowerPoint file. Then it opens PowerPoint file. So automatically it can recognize. Those are called MIME types. Next, write it. List of MIME types. List of MIME types. Okay. Now, first one, text by HTML. Second one, text by PDF. Image by JPG. Image by PMP. Application by MS Word. Application by MS VND dot MS -Excel dash dash etc. List of MIME types. List of MIME types. These are MIME types. Text by HTML, text by PDF, image by JPG, image by BMP, application by MS Word, application by VNT dot MS -Excel dash dash etc. These MIME types, for every software one MIME type will be there. That will be unique. That will be unique. W3C consortium. W3C consortium, they'll maintain these MIME types. These MIME types they'll maintain. Okay, W3C consortium. Now, here, if you open google.com, here, list of MIME types. Enter. First link only. Here, common MIME types. Here, MIME types are there. These are common MIME types. If you want every MIME type, one more site will be there. This is freeformatter.com. In this website, complete MIME types list. See here, name of the software, MIME type, file extension. Okay, like this we have. You observe how many MIME types are there. Still scroll bar you observe, right side. Still here only scroll bar. Worldwide, so many softwares are there. So many companies are there, so many softwares are there. Every software, one MIME type is there. So suppose DTS Studio. If this application is there, this is only outright. Can you remember this all? That's what, after joining the company, open Google, search, write. That's it. Who will remember? Subject is very vast. You take anything worldwide, so many software, so many concepts. What you are learning in Amirpet is the way you are learning. Only the way. With that way, you will enter into company. After entering, if they give a task, open Google, every day use Google. That's it. Any program, further Google compulsory. Okay. Those who are working in a software company, are they using Google or not? You ask them. Every day they'll use Google. Without Google, they cannot develop single project also. Not possible. Who will remember MIME types? You observe. Not only MIME type, anything. If they give any task in it after joining in the company, always every day you will depend on Google. It is compulsory. Otherwise, it is not possible to develop. Okay. Once if the Google is closed, all software companies also closed. That's it. Okay. See, so many MIME types are there. See, yes, I'm daily using. See, every person will see it compulsory. Without Google, it is not possible. Now, every day required. These all MIME types. Now I given only 5, 6, but there are thousands are there. Thousands. Okay. Uh, while developing project, which MIME type required for application, search in Google, select that, write. Then browser understands. But if you write your own style, it cannot understand. See, you observe, I given application by MS Word, like this is there. But MS Excel, not like that. vnd.ms-excel. Because unique word they given, unique. It has to maintain so many words are there. That's what something vnd added, vendor.ms-excel they given. Because Excel, Word may be related, many other softwares will be there. That is the reason they given like that. So here you can search. You can search. Okay. Now that MIME type, if you write, browser will understand. With that, it will open. Okay. That is MIME type. How to set MIME type? Next, write it. Default MIME type is text by HTML. 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 See, content is text, format is HTML. Content is text, format is PDF, portable document format, like Acrobat Reader software. Image, JPG, photo, like Photos Studio is there, no? That is image, BMP, like a paint brush file. Application, MS Word file. Application, Excel file, like that. Like that, we can identify. Default is HTML. That means in every program, HTML is there. This is called default MIME type. Now, every program, it will understand like a HTML. That's what it will open in browser directly. If any other softwares are there, plugins required. That plugin is not there, error comes. Then it will ask to download, it will ask to install. After installation, you can see. That is. Now, how to set MIME type? Write it. To change the MIME type. By default, text by HTML. To change the MIME type, use the following method of Solid response interface. To change the MIME type, use the following method of Solid response interface. To change the MIME type, use the following method of Solid response interface. See, this is a method. Set content type. Write this one. Public abstract void set content type java.lang.string. Here we have to pass MIME type. So any concept after joining in the company, you have to use Google. Even programs also, coding also you can copy, but copy paste also not easy. Copy paste also not easy. You need to put efforts. Copy paste also not easy. Even code snippets, if you copy later, if you paste in your project also not easy. For that one also knowledge required. Okay. Now set content type method will pass here content type. This is nothing but any one, whichever you want, that is you can use. That is you can use. Now, is it clear? Set content type, how to use, we'll see now. See, you can add in this only, otherwise separate program also you can make it. File, new, dynamic web project, suppose MIME, next, generate XML, finish. Now right click, new, solid. Now your package name, suppose MIME, class name, suppose MIME solid. Here I'll make it generic solid because till I didn't explain about this. After this, next. This is also I'll change just a small type, small letters MIME I'll write /MIME. Okay. Next. Remove this solid. Finish. Now here you can set the MIME type. Response dot set MIME type. Set content type. Response dot set content type. Method name again. No. Suppose you want MS Word, then you can write application by MS Word. Okay. Now after this, you can write remaining code same. Print writer pw equal to response dot get writer. Pw dot println. Now welcome I written. This welcome is going to be displayed in now MS Word because I changed MIME type. By default HTML was there. By default HTML. Now I change it to MS Word. Okay. I change it to MS Word. Now you observe. Run. Right click. Run as. Run on server. Save. These all I'll remove from here. Now only MIME. Finish. Here just a MIME. Then what will happen? See, you observe. Automatically one dialog box came. See, do you want to open or save this file? If you click open, it is stored temporarily in the RAM and it is opened. If you click save, it is going to be saved permanently. If you click cancel, this dialog box will close. See, automatically recognized or no? Automatically recognized or no? This is. If we click save, where you want to save, it will ask. Okay, save. Suppose desktop. Save. It is saved. After saving, open. You can open. Say MS Word open, it will display. Welcome. This is MIME type. Okay. But exact MIME type, if it is matched, it will show. Otherwise, it shows unknown type. Unknown type it shows. Again, what you have to do? You have to select MS Word. This is automatically recognized now. Otherwise, unknown type comes. You have to right click, open with again MS Word. You have to open explicitly. Okay. Content is compatible, it will show. Content is not compatible, it will not show. That is also will be there. Okay. This is MIME type concept. MIME types concept you learn. Okay. Say 5 programs you studied. 5 programs, 5 different types. First program plain text. Second program HTML code added. Third program time I displayed. Fourth program counting number of views. Fifth program MIME type. MIME types you studied. Now I want to display one image, one photo, image, graphics. Now you already studied streams. How many types of streams? How many types of stream? 2 types. What are those? Byte streams, character streams. 2 types of streams, byte streams and character streams. Okay. Now, what's the difference between byte streams and character streams? Byte stream supports all types of data. Character stream supports only text. This is a main difference. Okay. But byte stream will send bind, character stream will send character. That name only byte stream, byte will send. Character stream, character will send. In Java, byte will occupy 1 byte, character will occupy 2 bytes. That is 1 byte, this is 2 bytes. This is not a difference. Main difference is byte stream supports all types of data. Text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, everything. But character stream, only text. Suppose if I use byte stream, suppose here A, B, C, D, something is there. If you use with byte stream, if you use with character stream, here byte stream if you use, character stream if you use, what's the difference? Byte stream what it will returns? 97, 98, 99. Character stream ABC. This is the difference. That is ASCII code comes, this is a text comes. But characters, image you cannot display in characters, no? That's what byte stream we use, ASCII. Every symbol also ASCII code is there. That is the reason we'll prefer. Other than text is there, go for byte stream. Text is there, go for character stream. Other than text is there, go for byte stream, no other option. Text is there, both are possible. But if you use this one, conversion required. If you use this one, conversion not required. That's the difference. Now, byte stream purpose, one class I given in solids. Character stream purpose, one class I given in solids. In a response interface methods I given. What is a class? Byte string class, character string class. Which class? Every program we use one stream. Which stream? Print writer. Print writer character stream. But solid byte stream. I given methods. What is that? Solid output stream. Solid output stream is a byte stream. Not file input stream, file output stream, that is core Java. Now recently I given no response methods. Response methods, solid response methods. 2 methods I given. Get output stream, get writer. Get output stream will return. Get output stream returns Solid output stream. Get writer returns print writer. See, here. See, what is the method name? Get writer. Get writer. Get writer returns print writer. Here. What is the method name? Get output stream. It returns. This is byte stream. This is character stream. Solid output stream is byte stream. Print writer is character stream. Okay. So there are two types of streams: byte stream, character stream. One is solid output stream. One is print writer. So solid output stream is a byte stream. Write it. There are two types of streams. First one byte streams. Second one character streams. Solid output stream is a byte stream. Print writer is a character stream. Byte stream supports text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, everything. Character stream supports text only. Byte stream supports text, image, graphics, animation, audio, video, dash dash, etc. Character stream supports text only. Mime program you didn't write, no? Okay, 1 minute. First, is it over? Okay, after this program, both you can write. Is it over? Now, one image I'll send. How to send image, we'll see now. See, again, file, new, dynamic web project. Suppose image, next, generate XML, finish. Right click, new, solid. For package name, suppose image, file name, suppose image solid. It is generic solid. This is everyday same procedure, no change. Next, suppose URL pattern image. Okay. Next, I'll remove this. Finish. Here. Now, first we have to create stream. receiving purpose, sending purpose. First here, suppose it's one file. Okay, one file I'll take. In my system, one image is there. That image I'll show you. Flowers. This image I want to send to browser. Okay. Now, what we have to do, see, it is one image. Okay. This is file name flowers. Flowers.jpg. It's an image. It in C drive. Okay. This image, first we have to read. This image you have to read. This is you have to insert. But previously what we did, print writer pw equal to response dot get writer. Pw dot println. What we written? Welcome. But image can you write? You cannot write, no. First you have to read image from file. First you have to read image from file. After reading, that is you have to insert. Okay. See, for example, now first one stream sending purpose, solid output stream. Now print writer not suitable. Print writer not suitable. Solid output stream equal to response dot get output stream. Stream created server to browser. Is it byte stream or character stream? Byte stream. Previous all programs print writer. Print writer we used. That is character stream. This is byte stream. Now you can send image also, audio also, video also, anything. There is a method write. Here, write method is there. Here we have to send. Now here I want to pass image. What we have to write? Suppose if I write file path. Suppose if I write flowers.jpg. What is output comes? Output also flowers.jpg comes. But the image is not passed. What is passed? Path passed. Path only displayed. But we don't want path. We want image. That's what. Here we should not write this one. Okay. What we have to do here, that image is there, no? This image you have to insert here. This image you have to insert. Not path of the file, not file name. Content, file content we have to insert. Not file name, not file path. File content we have to insert. How to read content from file? Which class? File input stream, not that is byte only, byte array only. File input stream. Core Java is studied, no? File input stream. Now, with file input stream class, we have to read the data. How to read from file in through file input stream? You studied, no? Core Java class. I explained program. Copy data from one file to another file. No? Reading data, writing data, copying data. That is you have to write. What you have to write? File input stream. FIS equal to new file input stream. Here we have to pass file path. It will be open for writing. It will be open for reading. C drive flowers.jpg. C drive flowers.jpg. Okay. In C drive, it will take flowers.jpg file. Okay. Now, after this, now this is what will happen. It is open for reading only. It is open. That's it. Now, first of all, that file size we have to find out. How many bytes of that size is there? How to find out? Which method? Available. Integer n equal to file input stream dot available. Is it byte stream or character stream? Byte stream. Byte array. Byte b equal to new byte. How many bytes? How many bytes? N bytes. That n already received, no? Available method if you call, if that image 100 bytes is there, 100 comes. If the image 200 bytes is there, n value 200. The image 300 is there, 300. Now n bytes. If 100 is there, 100. 200 is there, 200. This is we have to read. File input stream dot read byte array. See, in first line, what is happened? File will be open for reading. File will be open for reading. Second line, what will happen? File size retrieved. How many bytes of that file is there? That size came. That many bytes memory allocated in RAM. After that, it will read. Now, hard disk to RAM, it is came. But this is we have to send to browser, no? This B you pass here. It will send. So this is image. Image stored in byte array. Image stored in byte array. That byte array I am sending to server. So in first line, file is open for reading. Second line, file size retrieved. Third line, memory allocated in RAM. Fourth line, it will read. That is I'm sending to browser. This is stream created server to browser. See, right click, run on server, save. Next, finish, restart. Here, image. See, image came, no? Now, browser, if you want to change, you can change the browser. Window, web browser, Chrome. Then right click, run on server. Here, image. That image comes. So what is happened here? You observe in this program. First line. In this line, just a file open for reading. File open for reading. The size retrieved. How many bytes of that file? That's many size. If 10 KB is there, 10 KB, 1 KB is there, 1 KB, 2 KB is there, 2 KB. That much memory allocated in RAM. Actually, file is not in RAM. Where is file? In hard disk. So file is in hard disk. Hard disk to RAM, it comes here. That content stored in byte array B. That B I am sending to browser. When browser receives, it will open. It will display. Okay. Now this program. Write this program. Instead of writing individual, I'll remove these all. Okay. JPG file can be displayed in browser window. So no need to change the MIME type. No need to change the MIME type. JPG can be displayed in browser. Join pictures group. These are very basics. Okay. Servlet request, servlet response, these all not completed. I have to explain. XML file also not completed. I have to explain. If Tomcat 9 is there, you write Java X. Tomcat 10 is there, Jakarta. That is Indonesian island name, Jakarta. Java also same. Java also Indonesian island name. See here in this line, what will happen? First line, it opens a file for reading. It opens a file for reading. This is nothing but it opens a file for reading. What will happen here? It returns file size. It returns file size. Method name available, but returns size only. If 100 KB is there, 100 KB. 5 KB is there, 5 KB. 10 KB is there, 10 KB. Size return. Here what will happen? Memory allocated. Memory allocated in a RAM according to file size. If 100 bytes is there, 100. 1000 bytes is there, 1000. It will read. It will read image from file. It creates a stream from server to browser. Because it is not system.out.println. server to browser stream, that is. It will write image to stream. Then it is passed to browser. Is it over? Is it over, all people? Now. One more program, that program, mime type program you didn't write now. Mime. This program also not done. Just unnecessary things I removed. Write this one. Write this one. Mime solid. Previous program. So application by MS Word I given, application by BND dot MS iPhone Excel, like that also you can write. Whichever MIME type you want, that is you can write. Is it over? Is it over? Suppose one multiplication table I want to display in my browser. Okay, like this, like a 5 into 1, 5, like this. I want to display 5 into 1 equal to 5, like this. I want to display up to 100, 5 into 100, 500. I want to display. Now I want to display table tags, TD, TR, TH. These all, these all HTML tags. Like that table format I want to display. But HTML, can you write any logic? For loop, while loop, these all? No. That is presentation language. You cannot write logic in HTML. Only tags and attributes. If you want to display 100 rows, 100 times you have to write. There is no other option in HTML. But with Java, you can write loop. So how to write, we'll see. See, suppose file, new, dynamic web project, support table, next, next, XML, finish. Right click, new, solid. File, table, table solid. Here a generic solid. Next, support table. Next, remove, finish. Here, first print writer. Print writer pw equal to response dot get writer. Now pw dot println. You can write HTML tags. Body, bg color, suppose yellow. Text, suppose blue. Like this, HTML tags. It is starting, it is ending. Body close, HTML close. Now you can write table format. Table format. So one for loop you have to write because 100 times required. So for loop integer I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 100, I plus plus. In this loop, again pw dot println. Now first 5 into 1 equal to 5, like that required. So it is always 5. String format directly can write, it is not a problem. Okay, after that 5 into, okay, 5 into I required, so I equal to 5. If I write like this, what will happen? As it is 5 into equal to 5 only displayed, but I is a variable. No, I is a variable. Okay, 5 into I is a variable. We can write. So what you can do is here, these all you can write into cells, table cells. HTML all right. Now HTML like this. Next body, BG color, suppose yellow, text blue. Body close. Next table, table border, suppose equal to 20. Table close. Table close. Here how will write? TR. Okay, TD 5, TD close into one more TD into TD, one more TD, I, nothing but one, TD, again TD equal to TD, Now again TD 5 TD TR close. Will I like this one, HTML is studied or not? See here 5 into 1 equal to 5. Like this we are writing. This code you can write here. This code you can write here. Okay. But in this case, what will happen? In this case, what will happen? See here, in the place of I. Now, now, here, one row. Here 5 as it is okay. But here I required. Then what you can do? Double quotes plus I. You can write no plus double quotes. Then here 5 into I required. Here double quotes plus 5 into I plus double quotes. Now 5 into I, like that 500, like this comes. Now for this table tag here, pw.println table border equal to 20. Here you can close. Okay. Now you observe. You observe here. First HTML body background color yellow, text color blue, border 20 pixels. After that, one cell created. In that cell 5. Okay. Otherwise, if you are getting confusion, means you can divide like this also. You can divide like this also. You can write like this also valid. What you can do is, that is you can divide into many println statements. It is also valid. If you are getting confusion, means you can do like this also. Like this also you can write. See here, first row open, first row closed. Okay. Now here one cell, in that cell 5, in this second cell into, third cell I value, fourth cell equal to symbol, fifth cell result. This is how many times executed? 100 times. 100 times cells created. See, like this also you can write. Right click, run as, run on server, save. Next, finish. See, table. Small mistake happened. Print writer I didn't import. Control Shift O. Right click, run as, run on server. See, table. See, 5 into 1 equal to, see, this is table border 20 pixels I given. Color background yellow, foreground blue. This is one cell, TD, one more TD, one more TD, one more TD, one more TD, one row. Like that 100 times. 100 times executed. See, up to 500. Suppose this program just how many lines? Very few lines we written. Okay, this code just 10-15 lines we written here. Same program, if you want to write in HTML, HTML loops are not there, no? Only HTML if you want to write. How many lines required? 500 lines required. See, right click, view page source. What is generated? See, 500 lines code generated. See, 504 lines. If you want to write in HTML, you have to write like this. Because HTML loops are not there. In HTML, you have to write like this only. So what is happened? HTML code passed to browser. Browser received, executed. That's what you got output. So here, this HTML code 100 times passed to browser. Solid code executed in server, HTML code executed in browser. So browser received HTML. That's what we can see. Okay. Tomorrow you will see continuation. This program also you can write tomorrow. Tomorrow class we'll see. Online students, wait. I'll clarify your doubts. Just wait 2 minutes. One by one, I'll clarify your doubts. Yeah. Servers, Krishna. Yeah. Server side executed that HTML code passed to browser. For learning Angular, Umesh, HTML, CSS, JavaScript knowledge required. Mimes notes, I'll share in Google Classroom. Naresh. Lab assistance number, if you want, you mail to my mail ID, Harshavardhan. Madhavi, that image I downloaded from internet, that file path I specified. Any one image download, you specify. Krishna Vardhan, yeah, mail to my mail ID, I'll give a reply. Forward slash Gaurav Verma. Whatever system will give, that is forward slash, backward slash. Whatever you are writing, that is backward slash, forward slash. Whatever system will give, backward. Whatever you are writing, forward. Muhammad Itisham. Every Saturday or Sunday, I'll give a replay because morning to night I'll be busy in classroom only. Shirisha, Java X dot Solid dot Solid. Okay, if it is not possible to remove there, what you do is after entering into editor, you remove. After entering into editor, here also you can remove. Here Solid appears. Here Solid appears. Then here you can remove. MIME full form multi-purpose internet mail extension Navyasri. That is identifying content. If you want to display in MS Word, Excel at the time, that is required. If you want to display in MS Word, my MIME type required for that. If you want to display application Excel sheet, that is required. Image insert, I'm not doing anything. This program you write, Madhavi. Okay, 1 minute. One minute, one by one, I'll clarify. Image ella insert. See, image Madhavi already given the program that way only. File not found error. Vishnu Sagar. That is your mistake only. You check it path and path of the file. Tomcat 9, Tomcat 10. No difference. Only package name changed. Some services may be added. By default, Solid interface comes. If you implement Solid interface, 5 methods you have to override. That's what I'm removing. Hemant. 404. Jayaraju. That is your mistake only. Check it XML. Check it Solid also. Count variable Object created one time only. That count increased because yes. Uh, GDK 11, Tomcat 10, port number not working. Yeah, mail to my mail ID. I'll give a admin number. He'll say rectify your problem. Who is this? MIA3. How to show errors in browser page? If any error occurs, automatically displayed. You can send instead of system.er.println, you can send pw.println. Uma. System.er.println means it is displayed in server console. If you write pw.println, it will be displayed in browser. HTTPS, Akil. HTTPS means data encrypted and transferred. www means World Wide Web. It is total area, geographical area network. Krishna, yeah, you have a class tomorrow. Tomorrow Saturday, not Sunday. Bootstrap, yeah, you can add Aishwarya. My mail ID Venkatesh.mansani. Harshavardhan. If non-local system, Gaurav, then complete this one you have to write. Localhost place, computer name you have to write. MIA3, don't use 9090 because 9090 also many service numbers are there. Table program tomorrow we'll see. Tomorrow because students no one written. Tomorrow I'll give time for writing. Image program you are running blank page coming mean that is your mistake only. Your notes I'll upload. Mime Hemant with mime type only browser can recognize it will display in MS Word. Now whenever you restart the server, count will be started from 0. Yes, Krishna. Is it over? We'll see continuation tomorrow.